Here I have a Cat6 UTP plenum cable with an easy RJ45 connector from NewYork Cables. It is an FEP-rated fire-resistant Category 6 UTP cable in green color. To terminate the cable, there are two wiring standards, T568A and B, as seen on the screen. This is an easy toolless connector without the need for a crimping tool. Cat6 patch cable is terminated with T568B wiring on one side, and the same process is repeated on the other end of the cable. For a smooth networking experience, both ends of the cable should follow the same wiring standards T568B. There are some guidelines about bending of Ethernet cable. Avoid twisting the cable like this while installing. Always maintain maximum bending radius in order to keep conductors safe and intact.